Today was a very interesting day because we've got a lot of reversal trades, but as continuation trades. So this is something I do not trade because, as I told you, for the moment I am looking for trades either at the high of the day, so reversals, or at the low of day for reversals true. So on EU. I was looking something at this region for the cells or at the low here. So what we've got is, so I was more looking for something coming from this region to the downside or a pattern here. I never got this pattern here. So this is not a reversal pattern for me. And sure enough, so we've got this beautiful structure. I would not take it on this pair because I usually wait for them to close below the 13 EMAs. So it was not that good. But this is not the kind of trade I take. It really should be higher so we can take the liquidity. But it is a very interesting lesson because I can learn now how to spot this continuation trades. The same was on GU. I was also looking more for the reversal for another leg to the downside. And look, so what I was looking for, we've got 1 day in breakout, 2 days in breakout, 3 days in breakout. So it was, as I said this morning, day three, uh, longs breakout traders in the market. So it means we can look for a reversal. So what we had already, but it was in the Asian session. So they already got down. So then I was looking perhaps for a continuation trade here. Never got them. And in the US session, they made a very nice M. I didn't take it because this is again a continuation trade. I'm more looking for a trades on the high of day. So, but I will then document this. This was a very nice trade and they make it very, very deep down. On GJ, I was also looking already, as I said this morning. So we've been already rising up and like 3 levels of rise. We went into this region. I was looking for this region because there is where we started to short. And market makers had trapped already a lot of traders in the wrong direction. I saw also here a pattern on the TDI, but they did the move, the first reversal move already in Asia. They started dumping down, and I was looking more something for a trade more up here to the downside. We didn't get neither a continuation trade to the upside, so I was really staring at this and didn't take it because this is again for me a continuation. So for the moment, I don't master these trades, but it's very good for as a flashcard to learn the behavior. And Euro NZD, again, I was looking either for a trade here to the something here to the downside or more here on the downside continuation. But yeah, the move was done in the Asian session. So this is the kind of trades I'm looking for. So they trap traders. It was at the low of the day. We broke yesterday's low and they shift the market, but it was end of Asia. When I wake up, it was already very high. So there was no opportunity to short. But then I was looking again, there was a continuation trade here and especially here. So there was a big candle, shift candle, um, Here, the trade was here or even here, but it was already too late. And the problem is it is between sessions. So I was just in front of the computer. I saw this only when they came already this high. So it was already too late. And yeah. So what I mean with reverse trades, what I'm looking for, something they when they take out very important liquidity. So it is either at low of the week, when they take a low of the previous day, so something like this. Here also because they took this low, they made a W pattern. Here also I saw this one, but I thought they will go this deep. So this is also a reversal pattern. They took all this liquidity. And this is just perfect. The same way they took, he was sitting the money because all these people were in money. So they dumped down, they make a reversal pattern at the low of the week, and also at the low of the previous day. So this is the perfect pattern. We can flashcard or this and learn from this. This is what I will do at the end of the week and learn what trades I was not able to spot and trades I couldn't take because they happened in the wrong session. So let's see what we will have tomorrow.